How to delete search history on YouTube. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to maintain privacy and keep your browsing habits confidential to yourself by deleting search history on YouTube? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's learn how to delete search history on YouTube. Open YouTube on your mobile device. You will land on its official homepage. Tap on the circle with your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Make sure you are using the correct account where you wish to delete your search history. If not, tap on switch accounts to easily switch between accounts. Once you are in the correct account, tap on the settings icon at the top. Select manage all history. Your default browser will open up, redirecting you to the history page. There are two ways to delete your search history. Either you can tap on the cross button next to individual items and confirm the deletion, or tap on the delete drop-down to delete everything at once. Let's use the second method for efficiency. Tap on the delete drop-down, select delete all time, confirm the deletion by tapping delete at the bottom right corner. And boom, you have successfully deleted your search history on YouTube. Let's confirm if it's actually deleted. Come back to your home screen, open YouTube, tap on the search bar. You will notice that none of the YouTube recommendations or previously searched content is available. Everything has been cleared. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.